In this video I'll demonstrate how to reheat food in minutes by using electricity. To do so, we will only need a fork and an all-electric wire. Let's begin with some noodles. We will wrap the wires around the fork and spoon. Now we will put both into the bowl in such a way that they are not touching each other. Plugging in. Within seconds, the water comes to a boil. Nice. Let's move on to the hot dog. That should be enough. In a similar manner, you can use electricity to heat sausages, baked goods, soup, tea and countless other dishes. But remember, don't touch the food while it's heating. There is electricity running through it. That's all for today. Be sure to check out our other videos and share them with your friends. Hot.